Yo, what's good? Let's go over the trade recap for the trade that I took Friday last week on GU, which was an L. So, if we go on the 30-minute right here, um, price was kind of bearish today, and like today, Friday, and I highlighted some key levels that I wanted to see getting hit. So we had this Asian session highs, and price just like swept these lows from New York as well. They were not really the lows from New York, but some lows from New York, hourly lows. Swept, rallied until London session opened right here at 8. And then the next 30-minute candle closed above these Asian highs, leading me to believe that maybe price was going to reverse off of this like bearish momentum that we had during the past week, but we are still bullish. We're still currently bullish on the weekly time frame. Well, right now we could see a break of structure to the downside, but when I took this trade last Friday, you see where the candle closed right here. We're still kind of bullish on the weekly, although on the smaller time frames we were not. So yeah, I decided to try for a long position to see where price wanted to go. And yeah, from there I scaled down into the 5-minute to see a retracement back down into these highs, either this 50-minute for value gap or this 5-minute for value gap. Retraced back down, tapped into these Asian highs. Then this fair value gap, we got a break above it. I didn't enter off of this because I don't know, I was not really feeling confident about this trade, and probably I shouldn't have not taken it because it was already late when I took this trade. It was like 2 hours into market open. I shouldn't have done that. And yeah, we saw price moving up, sweeping these low resistance highs, then came back down, filled in this 5-minute fair value gap that I wanted to get filled, and then I entered off of this candle closure after the fill of this mini fair value gap. We broke structure to the upside again on the 5-minute, and that's where I entered. But yeah, this trade was kind of mid, in my opinion. Doesn't even show up here because it's too late. But yeah, I ended up closing my trade like not even like full, like $50 or $60 loss, like 1% loss. I closed like right here, um, at like right here, just because price like on the 1 minute, which I cannot show you guys, but on the 1 minute, one candle closed below this 1 minute huge fair value gap that had that price had made with this bullish strong candle to the upside on the 5-minute. We closed below it, so I was like, I don't like this trade. I don't want to keep it further into market, like open already 2 hours to market open. So I was like, okay, let's just close. And I closed the trade. It was like $25 loss. So still like really mid. This was a very mid trade, and I shouldn't have taken it. So something to learn from that. I'm switching more to trading the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 because Forex hasn't been moving that good lately. It's been kind of choppy, not really respecting the zones that I want to price to respect. So yeah, we'll see how it goes in the next like couple weeks or months.